So this was the missing part. This one is needed if you want to use LED headlights on old four-wheel drives. Let's see how to connect this, and let's first try one before we install it. So it's working now. This one goes to battery plus. Next, we should put this somewhere in a safe place, and the black one goes to ground. I will not use those two for now, maybe next time. And this is from vehicle headlight. Plug from vehicle headlight to this one, and second cable goes to other one. But yeah, it looks really good. Those two are for turn signals and daylight position. I will try to make them work based on this one, but maybe next time. So let's first install the headlights and see how it works. So again, we will take off those 5 bolts and then pull the grill out to access the headlights. Okay, there it goes. And now let's unscrew those 3 and remove them. Oh, here is the horn. Oh, let's remove this one. Here is the horn. I need to replace this one. It's, oh, somebody painted. It should be louder, so I will buy a new one. It's accessible. So let's get back to headlights. Again, issue with these holders. Holes are not matching, and that's why I drilled the new hole previous time to fit this. But now I noticed that maybe we could reuse the original holder. So I will just try to unscrew those bolts and put it on a new headlight to see will it hold it. Okay, so it fits perfectly into original holder. Just here I had to put a small piece of metal to hold it. And let's see now how it fits here. Okay, lock it. Is it locked? Yeah. Okay. Now it looks perfect. Let's try another one. And this is the second one. So this is how it looks now. Let's connect all the wires and check if it works before we return grill. Okay. Let's check it now if it works. Okay, this one is not working. Oh, it's not connected. Let me connect it. And yeah, that's it. It's a low beam. Let's try to turn on high beam. Okay, it works. We will wait for the night to adjust it properly. Let's get back grill. And this is the final result. looks like a mini Defender.